Last minute, exit dive, 2 of them at once, different directions. That's amazing.
The first spot in the camera's like, what?
Uh-oh, someone's in the wrong lane. Oh, jeez, I guess I don't want to exit here. Sorry.
Supposed to be where the crucifix was, but there's not really evidence. Or right.
Oh, I'm in the wrong lane. Oh no!
I just keep getting he's supposed to be crucified on. It's like you'd think it would be this like tourist attraction. Or yeah. Like, what? No, they built something on top of it.
Wait, that's the right turn from left turn only lane. And people do not know where the frick they're going.
For fucking 28 years, being in this business. You know, when I first started out, I obviously still had a day job. So I had my day job.
Why would you go?
I did.
Why?
Stand up.
Really? Come on, speed up a little bit. Dang, how many people are going to have to run?
We want to make it super easy for you and your friends to listen to our podcasts. Joining
Red
Spotify
Light
allows us to
Runner
give you more places for
Subaru.
fans to find us.
Yes. We had so many questions. It's part 2.
This is part 2.
And for
Whoa,
this part,
geez.
I have my special
black hole bag.
The instant it is emitted anywhere in the universe is the same
What?
instant as it is absorbed by your...
Friggin' short bus? Really? And a exit dive as well. Jeez.
You guys hear that? You probably can't hear it. It's probably just in my fucking headphones. Now that I just shut off the recorder.
Move over.
Alright, okay, everything's still
so cool. Yeah. That is really great. There you go. That's good stuff right there, baby. Listen, I don't even want to finish the show. Let's go home. I'm good. We gotta take a break. Coming up, yet another segment.
Exit line cutter.
Query. So you want a strong gravity source like the sun. So watch. It turns out.
Nope.
If you plug the...
Wait, I gotta go this lane. Really? Let's hope that got on camera. What? You got a stop sign there. Hello? Really? You're gonna wait 2 seconds for me to pass by. Bullnose. Nope. That's not how you do it, sir. Oh, Jesus!
That we have to learn about. All right, gotcha. What
Hi. How you doing, Audie?
Did you
I'm
know
doing
this?
great.
I don't know if you knew that we would all still be, small rodents running underfoot trying to avoid being hors d'oeuvre.
Why you stop there? Look, there's the lane continues through.
Gee, this is a true story. There were photographs of this. He, I think every day,
Exit dive, that van up there.
injected his arms with this Vaseline. What's wrong with me?
Really?
I've just been going through this.
And Tammy, our beautiful spring days, parks playing soccer, going for a run, enjoying our family. But my focus and our focus, our sole mission.
Joy, that kind of thing? No, I don't believe that.
Oh,
Saw an
ow,
interesting
whoa.
cartoon.
bet with Michael Rubin. If I make it 60 days without drinking, I get a house at Coachella, $20,000 value, I think 2 nights. But guess what?
At no point have I tried to justify cruelty. Justin said, I'm sorry,
Massel
Seth,
left.
you're coming across a little...
The Rangers. They were still south of the target building when one of Mo'alim's group knelt in the road, took aim at another Black Hawk, and fired. The grenade...
Those people you see out at bars are young, and nothing bad
Exit
at that
dive.
level has happened to them.
It's always
nothing
a
bad at that level has
minivan.
happened to me, all right? But, you know, I got...
Takes the slice out. It's an old trick. For the first hole, you just put this on your glove
Oh.
to hit it straight. I said, really? And he goes, yeah. I got up, and I fucking...
I have notes. If we're talking about WTF, I have notes.
About, like
Really?
you said, like, what kind of dude am I? And I think sometimes I'm misunderstood.
I think you're definitely misunderstood.
Because, like, you know,
misunderstood
I don't know
where
how
the
people
exit was.
categorize me.
There were also 2 prisoners who wandered around taking Polaroids. One had been an army spy for the Russians, and the other a bank robber, and they got $2.
We now will forever perceive Michael Jordan, is what you're saying.
Yeah, I think you're gonna
right
get
before the accident. Really? Oh, fuck me. How's that both lanes?
You done messed up, AA Ron!
You suck at driving. Yes, you totally suck.
and ground were Schilling's specialty. He asked them to
Really?
vector him to the crash site. The choppers were each where Somali mobs had begun to encircle the
Wait,
unprotected.
again? What's up with people? Evergreen.
He felt these people must have no regard for even their own lives. They just...
What the hell is this guy doing? Okay, apparently here in Roxbury, no one knows what lane they need. It's like the roads with these big, huge painted arrows are too complicated for people to figure out. Of course.
People wear cans because you'd be amazed at how many fucking people don't know how to calibrate their voices properly.
Whoa.
For a
Who has right of way?
So I try to encourage people.
I would like to say the Green Arrow has right of way.
Resources the Patriots have, given that the Glazer family also owns Manchester United, for crying out loud. Tone, it's one thing for the Buccaneers' billionaire owners to want Brady, but it's still speculation as to whether Brady has...
And then this morning, she went to school. And
Whoa, careful!
Taken to hire. 68% of employers have raised their wages.
No turn
23%
on red
have
now.
increased their benefits. If you
positive results, and maybe be out of it by Memorial Day. I'd say 9 weeks it could run its course.
What the hell are you?
That's a long time, but
I was being treated like an adult. All right, Al says.
Yeah, it went right through. Stop sign.
7 cents. So the guy's eyes bulged. Jimmy had his fist right under the guy's chin, pressing it into his throat.
That was
Jimmy
red.
said, shut your mouth and walk out the
Sweet
door."
car, but that was red.
Heavy on the Harlem River Drive, northbound side of the 140 towards for a crash.
Red light runner.
Bunch of paying property tax up the butt, and then when you got the margarita mix.
Ready Fresh Nestle. I don't know what company that is.
The state of things infuriated Sergeant Matt Ryerson,
Red light
leader of
runner.
the Delta T School. But Harold just tossed him to the concrete like a flyweight.
Oh, he's gonna go
The
for it.
fall
He's gonna go
dinged
for
his
it. He's gonna go for it. And he made it. Just in time. Uh-oh. And we're about to go uphill, too. No trucks in the left lane. We can't be there. No trucks in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there. We're about to go uphill, and yeah, he moved over. Anyway, this is the end of the video. Like and subscribe today. Hope you enjoyed everything.